let's switch over to talking more about military matters, because I think that and one place to start would be that talking about the fact that we saw that video of a drone taking out a Leopard tank, which was really quite extraordinary. That kind of shocked me, to be honest.
The one that I thought was creepy was the one where they actually had 3 drones. Looks like they had the same T-72, and they went after it with 3 different drones. It's like, you imagine if that's the same tank, which it looked like it was. It's like, you know, these guys are running for their lives, and this, you know, these drones are flying at them, and they're like, oh, they missed us. And then there's another one. Oh shit, and another one. And then you saw the Humvee and the truck get hit. And, you know, it's like
it's a drone swarm.
I mean, wait till you. I mean, I could see someone. Well, I don't want to get into that, but anyway, the swarms were pretty crazy. That's a
one interesting thing I was noticing about some of the video footage of the kamikaze drones is that some of them, not all, but some of them, you could see that there was attempts to EW effects, right? So you could see that the camera was getting distorted, that the drone itself was experiencing some interference, but that was not sufficient enough to actually deter it. You know, like you could still kind of make it out. So that's another interesting thing.